there is a lot of broken glass here at the start of the trail. And then by this like water tank. But there are dogs. No. No. Broken glass out there. Probably from people camping. Come on. I didn't even notice, but there are some, looks like hieroglyphs on this trail. I don't know if that one, you can see one up there too. I don't know if they are hieroglyphs or petroglyphs. I'm not sure of the correct term. Looks like there's like campground stuff here, like fire pits and trash cans. I wonder if you're allowed to camp here. That'd be pretty cool. Huh. So, common theme of what I am finding that I'm coming to on these hikes is that I am going on the wrong trails. This time I actually checked my AllTrails map and see, well, I waited until I got to this sign, but I could definitely see that I'm not on the Dobson Lookout Trail that I planned on doing today. I am on the Holbert Trail, so I am turning around now and going back and seeing if I can get to that within a reasonable time. So I am back in the spot where I messed up, so I should have paid better attention. There's this little post right here that says the Holbert Trail, and it goes down that trail right there, which is what I'm on. But I guess I need to continue down this road for a bit before I get to the trail that I need to get to Dobson's Lookout. It is still quite beautiful over here. I'm just taking a break with the dog. She drank some water. And just enjoying this morning before we continue up. So I found the spot that I am supposed to be on. You can't really see, but that sign says Dobson's. So there is this water tank, and on the right here there's this, I'm presuming that this is the trail, the Dobson's Trail, because it is gated off over there at the water tank. And I know this trail is supposed to go up the mountain. I am just taking a little break. I am still pretty just worn out, honestly, and beat up from snowboarding this past week. I'm not sure if I'm going to go up much further. The dog's panting pretty hard as well. I don't know if I'm up for a mountain climb right now. I might have to come back and finish this one some other time. So this might be just a very short vlog this week. Oh, shoosh. So I just got back to my car. I decided to turn around once I got to the Dobson's trailhead. I've hiked about 2 miles this morning, been out for a little over an hour with stopping to film and everything. The dog's pretty tired. My car says that it's 84 right now, but it's probably more like in the 70s. It was about probably like 70 when I got here, and it's probably about like 75 right now out. She doesn't do well in the heat. She's definitely a cold dog, so she was kind of struggling, I think getting pretty tired. Was panting a lot. I didn't think that she was going to be able to go up and do an additional 3.4 mile out and back hike on top of the 2 miles we just did. I try to not take her on any hikes longer than 3 miles. 3.4 is kind of pushing it, but definitely no longer than 3.5, because she's just a little bit older, and I worry that if something happened and we're on the top of the mountain that I'm not going to be able to like carry her down. I also am I'm still so tired from going snowboarding. I feel pretty fatigued and pretty sleepy. My back hurts a little bit, so I think I'm just gonna take it easy today. I think I'm gonna go back and do some editing and catch up on that and just relax and get hydrated. I think I'm going to try to come back tomorrow morning, and do Dobson's Lookout, because I do want to do the hike really badly. I think I just need to get here a little bit earlier, and I'm not sure if I'm going to bring the dog. I'm going to see how she's feeling tonight and in the morning, because it is all up the mountain, essentially. What I did today, Holbert, I believe. The sign that I saw said it's about 2.5 miles. I didn't do the whole thing today, but it was pretty easy. Very family friendly, very dog friendly. There wasn't a lot of, it wasn't very steep. It wasn't very rocky. It was a little sandy, so it was maybe a little slippery, but it was really easy. It was actually pretty nice. It was nice to do something not so like extraneous this morning and just have a bit of a recovery hike. And hopefully I am feeling better and get up early enough to get out and finish what I set out to do tomorrow morning.